What's going on, everybody? Nick here, Go Crazy Pools. Today we've got another rookie card explosion box. This one is for February. Let's dig in. There is our literature. We got some peanuts out of the way. We got some awesome packs this month. Let's get them out and we'll take a look. Alright. Get that. Let's clean up a little bit of mess here. As you can tell, kind of not as many packs this month, but we've got a thick one down there. Alright, so we've got, as you can see on top there, we've got 2017 Series 1. Looking for Judge, Bregman, Glass now. We've got 18 Series 2, Tani, Acuna. Got Bowman, 2020. We've got 21 Bowman Draft. We've got 2021 Topps Chrome. And we've got 2021 Pro Debut. So some awesome pack lineup here. Let's see, how do we want it? Let's do like this. Hopefully we hit some cool stuff. So let's start. We'll start with the Pro Debut. Let's see what we can find. Travis Swaggerty. Jeremy Pena. Got a cat biggie for some attention. Tyler Gentry. Royce Lewis. Jose Tina. We've got a Robert Hassel, number 8 draft pick. Nick Sweeney. And Baylor, Jamari Baylor. So that ends out that. Nothing too crazy going on there. Next up, 17 Series 1. Judge, Bregman, Glasnow are the main chases here. The big rookies we're looking for. See if we can find some other goodies. Alright, we've got Gesselman, rookie. Jason Hamill. And third, got a Corey Kluber. John Lester. We've got a then and now, Felix Hernandez. Got a cup there of Tyler Naquin. Miami Marlins. Cole Calhoun. And Gary Sanchez cup card finishes that out. Alright, next up, 18, Series 2, Acuna, Ohtani. Let's go. Let's hit some good rookies here. Got Goodrum rookie. Cervelli. Evans. Oakland A's. DeShields. Got a gold there of Carlos Gomez. It's out of 218 there. 110 of 218. Tim Beckham. Luke Weaver. Trevor Cahill. And Jacoby Ellsbury. So not a ton going there. We did get the gold. Next up, Topps Chrome. 2021, Kelenic, Adele, Chisholm, Kirilloff, Dylan Carlson, Ian Anderson right there on the front, Tristan McKenzie, Kyle Seager, and Isaac Paradas there in the, was that the Sepia? So nice little rookie pack there. Take that. Minus the Seager. Alright, next up, 2020 Bowman. Looking for Bobby Witt, Jason Dominguez, Volpe, Brendan Davis. Alright. Got Paul Young. I'll do this. We'll slide. Don't see anything crazy. Posey, Mazzara, Bogarts, DeYoung, Biggio, Soto. Got a Rookie of the Year favorites, Nico Horner. Got a paper Volpe. Take that. Alec Thomas. Taylor Trammell. Our Chromes are Ronnie Why can't I talk today? Mauricio and Nolan Gorman for the PC with the Gorman. Hope to see him up this year. All right, now on to this big one. We've got 21 jumbo draft. Ton of guys we're looking for there. I have not opened any draft. Looks like we got something maybe thick, maybe an insert. I don't know. So we've got Brendan Beck first paper, Bernard, Rosario. There's a Mayer first paper. Take that. Panzini first. Rodriguez, Jeter Downs, Gasser, Perez, Mikulski, and Austin Hendricks on that half of the pack. Let's take a look at this other half. Ramirez, Ziegler first paper, Alvarez, Ryan Holgate first paper, Bobby Witt, Lonnie White, Kellington first, Mazzucato, Sinez, a lot of firsts, Kjerstad, Mojica, Jason Dominguez. All right, now let's look at, I think that, flip these around. See what that is. At the end, Luciano, got stuff falling down. Lonnie White, first chrome. Gunnar Hoglund, first. Geraldo, Tanner Allen, Ibarra, Nikazi, Henry Davis. Look at that. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Fantastic. Pulled an auto. Love it. Love it. First overall draft pick, Pittsburgh Pirates. Take it all day. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Find a top loader. We'll just get this squared away right now. Boom. Love it. Love the rookie card explosion box. And behind that, Genesis of Mayer. Marcelo Mayer. Cool insert. Love it. I mean, can't really go wrong there. Pulling some ink from the rookie card explosion box, that's what it's about. I mean, that's not what it's about. It's about pulling those rookies, those base. But love the packs. Filmington, amazing box, as always. Thank you guys for checking out. If you haven't, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Have a great weekend.